we can communicate with anyone with English. So obviously we have to practice a lot. And also sometimes you watch some English movies. Okay. Over there you just find out some words. Most of the audience said that my English is good. I know very good English. I know many vocabularies. I know many grammatical techniques, but I can't speak in English fluently. Whenever I want to say something in English, that time I don't find out any word or any sentence making, technique. What is the reason? The reason is that they memorize everything theoretical. They can't practice speaking English physically. That's why that happens. But these viewers, if just practically practicing speaking English, obviously they can be speak English fluently. So we just speak English physically and I mean, practically. Obviously, we can speak in English fluently as well as every day. Just make the routine. That routine just play today. I just practice 10 minutes. Next day, I will practice 20 minutes. Then third day, I will practice half an hour. This is how we just will continue practice speaking English. Definitely, it will bound to, speaking English fluently. So, if you maintain this, definitely we can communicate with anyone with English. So, obviously, we have to practice a lot. And also, sometimes you watch some English movies. Okay, over there, you just, I mean, find out some words in which words there, in which sentence there, what type of the word using, and their expression and their pronunciation, how they speak, deliver their speech when just they are talking. Okay, you just imitate it. And also sometimes TV shows like English TV shows, you just pause and then you just do again and again. To practice in your mouth. Okay, this is how you continuously processing. We have to maintain this, and also we have to learn every day at least 10 words, and then use in our daily life when we say something. And you also make friend yourself. You just talk with yourselves always. Always you just in front of the mirror and you just say something with you. You just ask question and you also just answer the question. This is how you will be able to, improve a lot speak in English. So this video already has been long. So I don't say anything, just to say that, if you feel good watching this video, of course, like, comment, and share. And next, what type of video you want to watch, just let me know in the comment box. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.